Can a Seadoo Sportster be a fishing boat? Hey everybody! So today I decided I'm going to just give you guys an overview on my 2005 Seadoo Sportster fishing boat project. There's a lot of good things about this boat. There's a lot of things that make it a good fishing boat. I mean, it's got plenty of storage underneath it. It's got tons of storage in the back. It's a jet drive, so it doesn't have a motor hanging down off the back. It's got a 215 horsepower Rotax inline 4, which is a 1.5 liter supercharged motor. It's got a Lowrance depth finder on it now. It is a wakeboard tower model. Been thinking about taking the wakeboard tower off just to make it easier to fish off of, make it a lot more usable. But it's got unique hull design. It's actually a modified V. And what's nice about that is it gives it more stability in the water. It makes it more stable when it's sitting still, and then when you're turning at speed, it makes it handle and corner a lot better. But the thing runs great. It handles awesome. Things are coming along with the Seadoo jet boat fishing boat project. I do still have a lot to do. I really need to figure out a trolling motor setup. But some things that I definitely don't like about it: when you go fishing with it, and if you want to do any shallow water fishing, if you don't have a trolling motor on it, you can't really go there. Problem is, it sucks up weeds into the jet drive. Another thing I've been having issues with, it's that little block right there. There's a little ball valve inside there, and what happens is if you get any gravel or anything in that hose, it gets back to where that ball valve is, doesn't make it out of the boat, and holds it open. So if you have more than 2 people in this boat, it starts taking on water. So I guess that's my biggest issue with it, right now at least. If you guys want to see videos of me installing the depth finder or installing the pole holders, I'll have a link to those in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I will be trying to post every day if I can. Until next time, this is Dakota with CustomWerks, and I will see you guys soon.